today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the new Microsoft Teams app for Windows 10 and how you can easily have it running on your laptop. Whether you're setting up Microsoft Teams for the first time or transitioning to a new version, this guide will walk you through each step in a clear and straightforward manner. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Teams homepage. This is your starting point, a familiar place for anyone accustomed to Microsoft's suite of tools. It's where you'll find everything Teams related, and crucially for us today, where you'll initiate your download. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Microsoft Teams, bringing you straight to their official site. Now that you're on the home page, scroll down towards the bottom of the page. This section is often a hub of useful links and calls to action. Look here for the option that says Download the Teams app. Upon clicking this, you'll be swiftly redirected to the official download page. Remember, this is an important step. Ensuring you download from the official site guarantees you're getting a safe and up-to-date version. Once you're on the download page, you're halfway there. Look for the option that states Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. This is typically accompanied by some brief information about system requirements, making it easy to check at a glance if your device is compatible. Click on this button to start downloading the installer. After downloading the installer for Microsoft Teams, the next step is to install it on your laptop. Locate the downloaded file in your system's download folder. When you find it, double-click the file to begin the installation process. A setup wizard will guide you through the necessary steps, which usually involves accepting terms and conditions and choosing your preferred settings. Follow these instructions carefully, and soon the installation will be underway. This process might take a few minutes depending on your system speed, so it's a good opportunity to prepare a cup of coffee or take a short break. With the installation complete, the new Microsoft Teams app should now be ready to use on your Windows 10 laptop. Launch the application and you'll be greeted with the familiar login screen. Sign in with your credentials, or if it's your first time, set up your account to begin exploring all the collaborative features that Microsoft Teams offers. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed walkthrough on downloading and installing Microsoft Teams on your Windows 10 laptop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, helping you get the most out of your tech devices every day. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.